Parliament in Budapest, Hungary. The Hungarian Parliament Building, also known as the Parliament of Budapest after its location, is the seat of the National Assembly of Hungary, a notable landmark of Hungary and a popular tourist destination in Budapest. It lies in Lajos Kossuth Square, on the bank of the Danube. It is currently the largest building in Hungary and it is still the tallest building in Budapest. Budapest was united from 3 cities in 1873 and 7 years later the Diet resolved to establish a new, representative parliament building, expressing the sovereignty of the nation. The building was planned to face the river. An international competition was held, and Imre Steindl emerged as the victor. The plans of 2 other competitors were later also realized in the form of the Ethnographic Museum and the Hungarian Ministry of Agriculture, both facing the Parliament building. Construction from the winning plan was started in 1885 and the building was inaugurated on the 1000th anniversary of the country in 1896. It was completed in 1904. About 100,000 people were involved in construction, during which 40 million bricks, 500,000 precious stones and 40 kilograms of gold were used. Since World War II the legislature became unicameral and today the government uses only a small portion of the building. During the People's Republic of Hungary a red star perched on the top of the dome, but it was removed in 1990. Lajos Kossuth declared a Hungarian Republic from the balcony facing Kossuth Lajos Square on the 23rd of October 1989. The Parliament building is built in the Gothic Revival style. It has a symmetrical facade and a central dome. The dome is Renaissance Revival architecture. Also from inside the Parliament is symmetrical and thus has 2 absolutely identical Parliament halls, of which one is used for politics, the other for guided tours. It is 268 meters long and 123 meters wide. Its interior includes 10 courtyards, 13 passenger and freight elevators, 27 gates, 29 staircases and 691 rooms, which includes more than 200 offices. With its height of 96 meters, it is one of the 2 tallest buildings in Budapest, along with St. Stephen's Basilica. The number 96 refers to the nation's millennium, 1896, and the conquest of the later Kingdom of Hungary in 896. The main facade overlooks the river Danube, but the official main entrance is from the square on the east side of the building. Inside and outside, there are altogether 242 sculptures on the walls. The facade displays statues of Hungarian rulers, Transylvanian leaders and famous military figures. The coats of arms of kings and dukes are depicted over the windows. The eastern staircase is flanked by 2 lions. When entering the Parliament, visitors can walk up great ornamental stairs, see frescoes on the ceiling and pass by the bust of the architect, Imre Steindl. In a wall niche, other statues include those of Arpad, Stephen I and John Hunyadi. One of the famous parts of the building is the hexadecagonal, 16-sided, central hall, with huge chambers adjoining it, the lower house and the upper house. The modern National Assembly is unicameral and meets in the lower house, while the upper house is used as a conference and meeting room. The Holy Crown of Hungary, which is also depicted in the coat of arms of Hungary, has been displayed in the Central Hall since 2000. Further features include the stained glass and glass mosaics by Mixaroth. Due to its extensive surface and its detailed handiwork, the building is almost always under renovation. Like us and join us at Extreme Collections for more fun and knowledge.